Today we'll talk about how can you create new class on your Remedy app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do now, just go above this sign here, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on add class, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on create new class. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, add here class name. So then when you just add it, and here can you create, click here on create here, then it's going to create video on your Remain app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.